What is the main role of nitrogen in plants? Here is the answer. Foliage growth. How does perlite improve potting mix? The correct choice is better aeration. Why is crop rotation used in gardens? And the answer is prevents pests. When should you prune spring shrubs? Did you guess it? The answer is after blooming. How do aphids damage garden plants? Time's up, it's sucking sap. What does the NPK ratio represent? Answer, macronutrients. Where should mint be planted to limit spread? Time's up, it's in containers. How often should you water succulents? Answer, when soil dries. Why are earthworms good for soil? Did you guess it? The answer is aerate soil. What is the pH range for most vegetables? Did you guess it? The answer is 6.0 to 7.0. How do you identify powdery mildew? Answer, white coating. Why should you use mulch in summer? The correct choice is conserve water. When is the best time to water a garden? The answer is early morning. What causes blossom end rot in tomatoes? And the answer is calcium lack. How does a cold frame protect plants? Time's up, it's trapping heat. Why are honeybees important for squash? Time's up, it's pollination. Where do you cut when pruning a stem? Time's up, it's above a node. What is the benefit of using compost? Time's up, it's better structure. How do you propagate spider plants? Answer, plant offsets. Why do seeds need moisture to start? Here is the answer, end dormancy. What defines a perennial plant? Did you guess it? The answer is lives 3+ years. When is liquid fertilizer most effective? Answer, active growth. How do you prevent damping off disease? And the answer is proper airflow. Why is air circulation vital in greenhouses? Time's up. It prevents mold. What tool is best for turning compost? Here is the answer. Pitchfork. How do ladybugs help a garden? The answer is eating aphids. When should you harvest basil leaves? Answer. Before flowering. Why is peat moss used in seed starting? Answer. Water retention. What happens if you overwater a cactus? And the answer is root rot. How do you stop slugs from eating hostas? The answer is beer traps. Where do most nutrients enter the plant? Time's up. It's root hairs. Why do some seeds require scarification? The answer is hard seed coat. What is the purpose of a trellis? Answers vertical support. How do you divide overgrown hostas? Answer, slice root ball. When do you plant summer blooming bulbs? Did you guess it? The answer is in the spring. How does allelopathy affect plant growth? The answer is toxic chemicals. Why is the cation exchange capacity vital? Did you guess it? The answer is nutrient holding. What is the role of mycorrhizal fungi? Time's up, it's nutrient intake. How do brassicas benefit from lime? Did you guess it? The answer is raising soil pH. Why are F1 hybrids often more vigorous? Here is the answer, heterosis. What is the effect of boron deficiency? And the answer is brittle stems. How does photoperiodism affect flowering? The answer is day length. Why is transpiration necessary for plants? The answer is nutrient flow. What defines an heirloom plant variety? The answer is open pollinated. How does soil texture affect drainage? And the answer is particle size. Why do lilies need specialized bulb storage? The correct choice is desiccation risk. When is the best time for grafting fruit? And the answer is late winter. How do systemic pesticides work? Answer, absorbed by plant. What is the impact of soil compaction? The correct choice is reduced oxygen. Why is the CN ratio in compost important? Here is the answer. Decay speed. That's it for today. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily trivia. See you next time.